drive for almost 28 years. I've never heard a sound like that in my life. It don't sound like brakes, it don't sound like construction work. It just sounds like it's coming from all around this proximity, all around me, to like maybe just past here maybe, but it just echoes. I was just down 42 highway and there's no activity at 3:45 in the morning, okay? Not even construction workers. Their shit was parked. There wasn't a fucking thing out there. I don't know. It was fucking weird. It was so fucking loud I could hear it inside the building with the door shut.